Hello, my name is Dianbo. I'm a former student at the University of Dundee. I'm going to talk about my research in Dundee as well as my personal connection with Kazakhstan. Oh, this is my past. I started from my hometown in Asia. Then I moved to Scotland and Dundee to study computational biology. During my PhD time, I did an internship in Almaty, Kazakhstan. After graduation, I moved to Harvard for my postdoc training, which is a long path for me. During my time in Kazakhstan, I did an internship with our Almaty Development Center. This is a picture of me in one of the universities in Almaty. This was a friend of mine hosted me for dinner in his house. This is his father, his friend. This is me and the Astana Expo, if you remember, 3 years ago. This is me in the expo. My two favorite things about Kazakhstan is the food. Benchmark is really good. I like horse meat together with the noodle. And I also like the hiking path in Kazakhstan. This was me hiking one of the mountains, I forgot the name. It's near one of the centralized station near Almaty, if you remember that. It took like 8 hours up and 4 hours down. It was great hiking. Okay, let's talk about research now. So my focus of research is in machine learning. So what's machine learning? It's an algorithm and also the way to train the algorithm to map from data to answer. Let's say you have someone's DNA sequence and RNA sequences. You want to know what's the risk of this individual having diabetes or heart attack. So, and you train this model using tons of data. And so you can have an accurate prediction. So that is one example of machine learning. And the one problem in doing machine learning biomedical research is data have privacy issue, means it's difficult to get someone's data from a hospital or from research institution. There are some laws restricting the data transfer. Also, you have to sign lots of paperwork. So my focus is on federated machine learning, which trying to solve the problem I just mentioned. And what is federated machine learning? It is a machine learning method which enables training of machine learning models on different devices without moving the data. Say I have a phone, I have a computer, and I have another phone. I have data on each of them, and I'm training the model on all of them, and aggregate model without moving the data, so I can obtain a good predictive model by just doing that. And recently, I'm focusing on federated machine learning in combination with blockchain. Blockchain is a technology which enabled reliable recording of all information you want to put on blockchain without centralized, trusted database. So basically, it's a distributed, trusted database. And in this way, you can track whatever happened in your network. For example, if you are doing federated machine learning, you can know who trained the data, who used your data, and who used a model. And actually, I started working on blockchain from Almaty. Almaty Development Center wanted me to develop a blockchain system to track the utility usage or utility payment in the city. So no one can modify the record, and all the information can be tracked when along the way. And Starting from there, I worked on several blockchain-related projects, and I founded a startup company in the US together with my colleagues. I think it's a very promising field, both federated machine learning and blockchain. There was some hype on those things, but I think there are real values in those technology as well. Okay, I have come to the end of my talk. Thank you very much for listening.